sa akong mama kay ninyo na imo ang kamanghuran. Dayon, while nag-process ko sa mga kanang requirements, mga wedding preparation, ako yung hanaw na is mas excited pa unta ka sa kuha. Mingaw kaayo kay lahi rin yung presence ni mami.
Sa iyang mama, bali, pero mula gito, nakapanagtot masaya, nagingod kasi yung mama nga. Kani ako yung higumaw niyang anak ba, na tinudanay akong kuwan sa iya. Magkasiyam tanay may permi ba? Although basig sa among panagkuyab daghan mi trials nagian. Kuan gyapon nga ana kanang ipatigbabaw lang gyud ang kuan ba? Pagkigugmaay. Dayon kanang kung namang gani mga misunderstanding, istoryahan namingon ana. Yung murag kuan, di ba masabtan ba kanang bulba ba? Murag dili na ako ma-explain.
I, Carl Michael Daco Tromo, take you, Lelo Jean Ronono Velarde, as my lawfully wedded wife. As I stand here before you and our families and in the presence of God, as I finish my vow, let it be known that I will choose you every single day. I will choose you in the bad and the good, and I will choose you in sorrow and joy.
I want to let you know how grateful I am that God has given you to me.
Carl Michael, itulog ang pingi, kining sing-sing.
Sa ngalan sa Amahan, sa Anak, ug sa Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Silingan naman gud mi. Kunya night time sa ato nga murag na malihog bitaw siya nga if kanang hapit na ilang linya ba nga magpatawag bitaw siya mutong times nga nagka-exchange mi og chat. Tungod ito sinugdanan until nga nabot sa point nga na maglado lamig kanang sports.
After 5 years, we became friends. Then, wala damha, naibog day kag balik sa ako. Haba na air.
Pero si Maki, niadto gyud sa balay, formal kaayo. Wala ko ga-expect.
Gibunuangan pataka, asugton ta ka, if moadto ka sa balay. Og niadto ka sa balay, isugot mo ti ka.
Kumuto nga time nga niadto ko silang balay. Ano nang ko siyang amahan nga manguyab ko sa iyang anak. At tinudanay gid ako ba.
Don't need to ride like one of the plays. You don't need to dance like David danced. If you just love me like only you can. If you love me like only you can.
Lelo Jean L. Velarde Romo, I am proud to call you my wife, as I am your husband, a life partner. That's who you are in my life.
Finally, I have found my place, my contentment, my peace, my everything. Thank you for always bringing joy in my heart. Super blessed kayo ko, kay nangayo ramonta ko sa Ginoo og bulad. Gihatagan mahinuon kog humba with soft drinks.
You don't need to sing like a choir sings. You don't need to dance like David danced. If you just love me like only you can, would you love me like only you can?
Natupad na mo ang pangandoy ni Maki nga muna ni Road to Forever na gyud.
As I stand here in front of you, I see all my loving all of you. I see all of the smallest things that I love about you. I give you my love, my heart, my soul, and everything that I am.
To me, oh, you don't need to be anything to anyone but who you are to me. Oh, you don't need to be anything to anyone but who you are to me. Don't need to sing like a choir of saints. You don't need to ride like one of grace. You don't need to dance like David danced. If you just love me like only